It's super cute. Nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody.
Yeah. Run that back, turbo. When I made my first million, I ain't panic. I only drink out this hill. I'm done with Zany. I bought my mama a crib. I'm outstanding. I'm pressing my cousin a pill till it's granny.
We're finna get glammed up today. So my lips is kind of chapped. I can see my hair is all crazy and stuff. Firstly, gonna start off by doing my hair. We're gonna do a side piece today. Not a side piece. Okay. We're gonna do a side part today. We're gonna make it to the side, like on this side. Right over here. That look cute. Okay, I'm gonna start detangling my hair. Every time I add water to my hair, it turns into waves, and I don't like it sometimes. Sometimes it's cute, but sometimes I just want it to be straight, like straight. But we're finna give it like that today. So all right, you're gonna get your spray bottle, any type of spray bottle, and just spritz your hair. See, I think my hair is low porosity because the water just sits up on my hair like this. I don't know what to call it, to be honest. I'm just making sure it's super sleek. Where's my water bottle? I just sprayed my whole face. I'm gonna leave that one out and put this one to the side. Out. I need to buy a new one, and I've asked people what the gel I should get on my last video, and a lot of people were saying I should try the Edge Booster Gel or Eco Styler. I have tried Eco Styler before, but it was the clear one. But Edge Booster Gel, that one, I've seen a lot of videos about that one, to be honest, and I'm really thinking of trying it. Like, can y'all tell me down below if that's really a good gel, because I don't want to waste my money. I don't want to waste it. Oh crap, I forgot to put this one out. I'm gonna put an edge out right here because I'm gonna do something with this. I'm going to go ahead and braid this up. Okay, so we got that. And I put it to the side because I want the ponytail to be on the side like this. The hair is sleeked and everything, so we're finna take some of this gel and we're gonna make like a little edges. Now that little thing that went around on the natural hair community about how bad Eco Styler was for your hair. I still bought it, you know. I couldn't help myself. So we're gonna apply the ponytail. I'm doing my hair first before I do my makeup because I don't have time for my hair. People don't understand that some of us black women be wearing weave just to give our hair a break or to help us grow our hair. Some people are like, oh, you think you're this other culture, you want to become this other culture. No. People wear it, like I said before, some people wear it to grow their hair, and I don't blame you. Like some people cut their hair and they want to let it grow. but they still want to look cute at the same time. So you want to get some braids or something, or sew in and cover it up while it's growing, but still looking cute at the same time. This is the ponytail thing that I'll be using. It's curly and it has a comb on it with these 2 strings on the side to tie it to your ponytail. So you just latch it onto the back of your ponytail with the comb and you just tie it. So that's all I'm doing. Take a little bit of hair on the side to put it around it so it can look natural. Okay, so now it's time for the face. I'll be using the Fit Me foundation in 358. This is not my skin tone, by the way, but I'm going to be using it because I'm going to make my face more browner with the contour. So you're gonna take your beauty blender and just, you see how bright this is? Yeah, I'm gonna make it go more darker. So basically, I'm not gonna talk for the rest of the video. I'm gonna let it play. Y'all finna see me with some eyebrows right now. Okay, so I got my eyebrows on. We're about to blend this out. I let it sit just a little bit on my face before I go and go crazy on it. So I'll be using this little brush right here to blend out my concealer. How my eyebrows look? They on fleek? I'm not butt ugly. I just have a few flaws about myself, but I already know what they are, so I know each flaw about myself. So that's why when people tell me, I don't be surprised, because like I already told myself what the hell they were. I mean, what the heck they were. So I mean, shoot. Anybody say anything about it? It don't affect me at all. Bling concealer in the color 45 tan. The color 45 tan. I'm gonna be applying that. I'm gonna have to take off my lip gloss because when I do this is the part that makes your lips stand out. Apply it on my lip and basically the parts where you highlight your face is where you're applying it. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend it out. So I'm going to be taking my Contour by True Complexion palette from medium to dark because you see I'm dark. So I'm finna use the darkest color, the contour shade. That's the one. That's the one right there. So I'm gonna just be taking like this flat brush. This brush is like kind of flat and kind of not, but I'm gonna still be using it. And take a little bit of product. You can't go too crazy, you know, you can't go too crazy on your nose. My nose actually looks slimmer. That's crazy. So I'm gonna blend this out with my finger because I want it to be more precise, you know. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. setting finishing powder and I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to apply and bake my face. Some people don't bake their face. Some people just go in with the spray, but I don't have the spray today, so I don't have to be using and just. And don't apply it directly under your eye because you're gonna start getting creases under your eye if you do that. Now, this has been sitting on my face for quite a bit, so I'm gonna like take it off. And when you take it off, don't swipe it like this. You gotta pat it. Pat it into your skin. Do not swipe it off like. Eyeshadow, I'm not really going crazy on it because this is more of a natural looking makeup look. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia palette. I'm gonna take, ooh, shit. It's kind of dirty, I'm sorry. I'm gonna take this color. It's like it almost blends in with my skin, but it's a little bit light. It's like more of a nude color. So I'm gonna take that and just put it up here. I don't know how to do eyeshadow, I just put it on. This is a 35W palette by Morphe, and I will be using this brown color right here. As you can see, I do use this one a lot, and I use the orange one a lot. But we're going to be using the brown one because it's more of a nudish type. Ooh, that's pigmented. Hold on. We've got the eyeshadow and everything on, so now we're gonna put on highlighter. I use the Tarte bronzer. This is a bronzer, but I use it as a highlighter because, yeah. And I do have, it's only like a little bit in the crease, like right there. But I still use it because this stuff is really good and expensive, so. Okay, I have some lashes I am going to apply, but I am going to apply these off of camera because I can't apply it on camera because I can't see. Okay, I got my lashes on. They cute or whatever. Line my lips up with a dark brown color. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. And then you just blend it in. You take your shirt or a cloth and wipe it off in the middle. You can wear your lip regular like this if you want more of a matte look, but I'm gonna be applying my gloss. This is the NK Gloss lip gel. It's in bubblegum and it's pink. I'm more of a gloss type girl. I'm finna go change my shirt and we're gonna be done. Basically, like, if you was going out to eat or something with your friends, this is a very cute look for you to do. This, okay, I know this eyelash is bothering y'all. It's bothering me too. Okay, we good. We put it back down. All right, let me stand up for you all. It's super cute. I really recommend doing this look. This is super cute. And yeah, I put on this little sparkly dress because so it just goes down like that, and on the back it ties on the back side, and it's really cute. I really like it. Okay, so if y'all enjoyed this look, be sure to leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below to my channel to become part of the fam. Like this video up, comment. I want to see what y'all feel about this look or if I made any mistakes. So yeah, go ahead and comment, like, subscribe on this channel. It's Liyah Joinee and I'm out. Peace.
Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I sit to the head and flow. Already fed the pole. Niggas too scared to go. Hey.